Starring again.
Hi, I'm Becky Little. I'm a builder, an artist and a teacher working with earth in Scotland. And my background is in heritage and repair of historic buildings. And more recently I've become aware of how these natural materials from the past can be used in new work that is ecological, that's beautifully aesthetic, and that's also really healthy. I became aware of teramigaki design in 2017 and I was really intrigued to know more because it's a collaboration between Japanese and Italian craftspeople and designers, and both these cultures are really renowned for beautiful buildings and finishes with natural materials. And I went to Milan and took part in a workshop there. What was exciting was it's a collaboration between Japanese and Italian craftspeople and designers, which from my point of view sounds amazing because these craftspeople are so skilled with materials and particularly with finishes. So I went to that workshop and really the rest is history. I made amazing friends. I learned new skills, brought them home to use in my own work, and I became part of a sort of extended family with teramigaki. I'm now an ambassador for teramigaki design, which really means that I take those ideas and those skills and all of that excitement and share it more widely in my own country, Scotland, and beyond.
Yep.
So my own work has benefited in lots of ways since I started doing workshops and being part of teramigaki project. It's partly to do with plasters, so you can see around you here we have lots of really fibrous clay plasters, and quite a lot of them are inspired by Japanese sort of techniques and styles of working. And I have been using one of the things I learned, which is one of these polished clay ball, or Doradango as they're known. It's a traditional Japanese technique, and I'm using these as a teaching tool because they can be done by pretty much anyone with a bit of support. And so when you're actually making this, you're taking some soil and you're polishing it smooth till it shines. So you're learning about the clay that's in there, the molecules, the science behind how is this possible. You're going into this kind of meditative state, so you're very calm. You're probably with a group of people in some sort of community, and you're thinking about science, it's art, it's all these different things. And ultimately it's a little treasure in your hand that reminds you of the bigger picture. So that's something that I've got really involved with in the School of Mud. And another part of our collaboration together has been through my work with eBecky, which stands for Earth Building UK and Ireland. And it's a national organisation which promotes earth building. And every year we have this really exciting event called Clay Fest, which is this week-long experimental party pushing earth to the limits and networking and singing songs, and just it's like a huge wonderful exchange. And so teramigaki and eBecky have become closer through collaboration at Clay Fest. And when you're somebody from a small country tucked in the corner and your earth tradition has completely gone, or it's a memory, but that's all, then making these connections to the wider world and to like-minded people is really important to keep traditions and new work vibrant and alive.